Yeah, well, welcome to continuations of system of differential equations. And then we have question 2, write the following fourth order differential equation as a system of first order linear equation. Then convert it to matrix form. We have the differential equation and we have the data given, the condition given. Okay? If you look at the equation, you realize that the highest differential is what? Is 4. Okay? And this equation is not equal to 0. This is non-homogeneous. Okay? So let's dive into solutions to this question. Okay? The first thing we do in this case is to, step 1, define some new functions. And then we're going to start with x1 equal to y. Then your x2 will be differential of this, which is what? Y differential. Your x3 will be equal to what? Differential of this one, that's second differential. Your x4 will be equal to differential of this one, that's what? Third differential. And I've said that if your order is 4 here, you have to stop and unit less to what you have here. Okay, so you stop here. Then the next thing to do now is to begin to differentiate this new function. S1 prime will be what? Will be y prime. And y prime is equal to what? Y prime is equal to s2. Okay? So s2 prime will be equal to what? Differentiate this, then you have what? Y prime. Second differential of y is equal to what? Second differential is equal to x3. Then again, differentiate this side, and that will be third differential. If you differentiate this, that will be third differential of y. And third differential of y is equal to what? Is equal to x4. Okay? So then x4 differential is equal to what? That's what we're looking for now, and that will be equal to what? y4. And that will be fourth differential, and then we're going to get expression for that. From this equation. Okay, from here now, can you make the fourth differential a subject of the formula? And that will be equal to, I'm going to start from here, move this on to the other side, that will be minus 8y, followed by the fourth differential, this one, plus sine t, fourth differential, then minus 3 second differential of y. Okay, and again we have this one here, so plus what? Plus t squared. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to convert this one to the new functions. Okay, convert this y4 to new function, and don't forget the fourth differential is equal to what? x4 prime. We now have x4 prime equal to minus 8. Your y is what? Y is equal to x1. Then plus sine t. Y prime, first differential of y is what? Is s2. Then minus 3. Second differential of y is what? Second differential of y is what? Is s3. And then plus what? Plus t squared. We've done all what we are told to do. Write the fourth order differential equation as a system of first order linear equation. We have done that. This is it. S1 prime, the linear first order, equal to what? S2. S2 prime is what? Is equal to S3. S3 prime is equal to S4. Then x4 prime is equal to that expression. And these are the what? These are the equation in what? In first order linear equation. Okay, so then the next thing we want to do now, let's quickly convert the condition given. Let's convert that. For this one, y of 0, that will be y is what? The initial condition. Initial condition. That will be y is x1 equals what? 1. Y prime is s2 equals what? 2. Second differential of y, that's what? S3 equals what? Equal to 3. And then the third differential is x4 equal to what? Equal to 4. So these are the what? These are the conditions given. So we've done that. So these are all in a normal form. In matrix form, we're going to have x1 prime, x2, x3 prime, and then x4 prime, and that's equal to what? That's equal to, for first equation, x1 prime, we only have what? S2. Okay, that means it's going to be 0, 1, 0, 0. Yeah, if you look at your x4, you realize that the equation is in form of what? x1, s2, s3, and then that should be x4 here. You don't have s4 here. Okay, so we are only writing the coefficient of x1, x2, x3, and x4. So that's for the x1 prime. Then for the s2 prime, we only have x3. So that will be 0 for x1, 0 that will be for s2. For s3, the coefficient is what? 1, x4 coefficient is what? 0. For s3 prime, we only have x4, which means this will be 0, 0, 0, and 1. And finally, x4, which is this one, the coefficient of x1 is minus 8. That of s2 is what? Is sine 2. And that of s3 is minus 3. Then x4, don't have it, 0. Then plus. Don't forget, I said from the beginning of the equation that the equation is non-homogeneous. So that will be equal to what? Plus this. So this is the non-homogeneous part. For x1, we don't have t, that's 0. We don't have t for second equation, we don't have t. We only have t in the fourth equation, fourth differential. That's what? That's t, t squared. Okay? So that's that. Then the condition given, you can write it in this form. X as a function of 0 equal to x1, s2, s3, s4, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's that on the matrix form. Okay. If you are new on this channel, and you are yet to subscribe, there is the icon on the video. Just click on it and subscribe. Click on the notification bell and begin to type your comments and click on like button. Okay, thank you for doing that. Finally, share this video on your social media platform. Okay, join the next question.